Good morning, y'all. This is the day the Lord has made, and today we are making avocado toast. That's right. This is going to be the simplest, quickest, easiest recipe you're going to see from me, but you are gonna love it. And so I picked out one avocado. Well, let me just tell you about the bread. This is a 100% whole wheat bread. I like it because it has fiber in it. It's good for you, whereas other breads, especially white bread, there's nothing in it that's healthy for you. But it also has flavor. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to clean out our avocado. And then, can you believe this? The seed is almost as big as the avocado, but we don't need the seed. Get out there, come on. Oh, okay. So, cleaning out this side, you can spoon it out. Now, if you're going to use avocado on a sandwich, you can still get it out and then slice it up to put on your sandwich. Of course, my favorite thing with avocado is avocado toast. So what we're going to do first is smash it. It should be soft enough that you can do that with a fork. This is what I mean when I say your kids could even do this. That easy. They could even peel it with a butter knife, probably, if they needed to peel it, or cut it in half with a butter knife. So I have my avocado all mashed up, and we probably use one avocado per one piece of toast. I'm going to sprinkle a little garlic, not much. Mix that up in there, and now we are ready to spread it on our toast. So let me do that. Get it all out. I can't promise you that I'm not going to lick the bowl after we leave this demo. And you can see how easily it spreads on the bread. See? Yeah. Okay, now here is the key. If you have Einstein Bagel, then they sell everything bagel seasoning. But we don't have that here. Now you can probably order it on Amazon, but we do have a little H-E-B, which H-E-B, the big giant one, is our favorite store. And they have one called Bagel Not Included, and I really like it just as good, maybe even better than Einstein Bagel. And so I'm going to sprinkle some on here to my liking. I think that's enough. There, you see? Let me show you that close up. That's all you need. Now, time to eat. Y'all, this would be a good lunch. It's filling. Avocado satisfies your hunger. Now, Bruce eats 3 pieces, but he's a big boy. But this is my lunch today. Y'all have a blessed day, and I will see you next time on Southern and Spicy.